If you're looking to level up your cooking experience with versatile, high-quality cookware, this Bruntmor 2-in-1 enameled cast iron Cocotte double Braiser Pan is a must-have. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to make meals that burst with flavor, this 3.3-quart enameled cast iron pan offers everything you need. From slow-cooked stews to sizzling meats, this pan brings out the best in your cooking, all while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The Bruntmor 2-in-1 enameled cast iron Cocotte double Braiser Pan is designed to offer unparalleled versatility and durability for all your cooking needs. Featuring an innovative design, this enameled cast iron pan can function as both a braiser and a griddle, making it perfect for everything from slow cooking and roasting to searing meats and grilling. Crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, this Braiser Pan ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention, which means your food will cook consistently and retain its flavor. The beautiful gradient gray and white enamel coating adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, while also ensuring the pan remains rust-free, scratch-resistant, and stain-resistant. The Bruntmor 2-in-1 Braiser Pan is not just about performance but also convenience. It features wide, sturdy handles that make it easy to carry the pan even when it's hot, ensuring that you can move it safely from stovetop to oven without any trouble. The pan also includes a griddle lid, so you can grill, fry, and cook in one versatile piece of cookware. This Braiser Pan is ideal for slow-cooked meals like stews, pot roasts, and braised meats, and it also works wonderfully for grilling burgers or fish, or even making crispy bacon. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this piece of cookware offers ease of use and professional-grade results every time. Key features and benefits. The Bruntmor 2-in-1 Braiser Pan comes with a griddle lid, giving you the flexibility to use it for a variety of cooking techniques. You can braise your meats, simmer stews, bake, and even roast, while the griddle lid allows you to fry and grill meats and vegetables with ease. This dual functionality makes it the ultimate multi-purpose cookware for any kitchen. One of the standout features of this enameled cast iron pan is its scratch and stain-resistant enamel coating. This makes it much easier to clean and maintain, even after extended use. The pan's outer gradient gray and white enamel finish is designed to withstand the rigors of regular use and the heat of high-temperature cooking, ensuring that it looks as good as it cooks. You can rest easy knowing that the pan won't rust, stain, or lose its visual appeal. The Bruntmor Braiser Pan offers superior heat retention and even heat distribution, a hallmark of cast iron cookware. This means that your food will cook consistently, whether you're simmering a hearty stew or searing a steak. The even heat distribution also reduces hot spots, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. The wide, sturdy handles on both sides of the Bruntmor 2-in-1 Braiser provide a secure and comfortable grip. Whether you're moving the pan from the stovetop to the oven or carrying it to the dinner table, the handles make it easy to handle the pan, even when it's heavy or hot. Say goodbye to worrying about burns or losing grip while moving the pan. This enameled cast iron cookware is designed to withstand high surface temperatures, making it perfect for baking, broiling, and roasting. Plus, it's oven safe, so you can seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven without any issues. The Bruntmor Braiser Pan is perfect for dishes that require both stovetop and oven cooking, like braises, casseroles, or crispy roasted vegetables. With its attractive gray enamel coating and durable cast iron design, the Bruntmor 2-in-1 Braiser Pan makes a perfect gift for any cooking enthusiast. Whether it's a housewarming, birthday, or holiday gift, this pan is sure to impress. It brings functionality and beauty to any kitchen, making it ideal for both everyday cooking and special occasions. Why choose the Bruntmor 2-in-1 Enameled Cast Iron Braiser? The Bruntmor 2-in-1 Enameled Cast Iron Braiser Pan is the perfect piece of cookware for anyone who enjoys versatile, high-quality tools that make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're braising a hearty stew, frying up vegetables, or grilling meats, this pan is designed to help you achieve the best results. The highly durable enamel coating, combined with the even heat distribution of cast iron, makes this pan a top contender in the world of enameled cookware. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and, thanks to the dual functionality of the griddle lid It saves you space in the kitchen while providing more cooking options. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.